How does the ICC define war crimes for newcomers? Imagine witnessing a conflict where innocent people are harmed and wonder what rules are broken during war. That's where the International Criminal Court, or ICC, steps in to clarify what counts as a war crime. The ICC defines war crimes as serious violations of the laws and customs that apply during armed conflicts, whether the conflict is between countries or within a country. These laws come from international agreements like the Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols, which set rules to protect civilians, prisoners of war, and others who are not fighting. War crimes happen when these rules are broken. For example, acts like willful killing of civilians or prisoners, torture, inhuman treatment, or biological experiments are considered war crimes. Causing serious injury or suffering, destroying property not justified by military needs, or stealing from civilians are also included. Other crimes are forcing prisoners or protected persons to serve hostile forces, denying them fair trials, or unlawfully deporting or imprisoning people. Sexual violence, including rape and forced prostitution, is also classified as a war crime. These acts violate the dignity and rights of those protected under international law. The ICC's authority to prosecute these crimes comes from the Rome Statute, which was adopted in 1998 and became effective in 2002. This treaty specifically lists war crimes in Article 8. It includes grave breaches of the Geneva Conventions of 1949, which are key treaties that protect civilians and wounded soldiers during war. The ICC focuses on individual responsibility, meaning it prosecutes people who commit these crimes, not just states. To be eligible for ICC prosecution, war crimes must be part of a larger plan or pattern of criminal acts. Isolated incidents usually do not qualify unless they are linked to bigger operations. The ICC covers both international conflicts, like wars between countries, and non-international conflicts, such as civil wars. This broad scope helps ensure that protections under the laws of armed conflict are upheld everywhere. In essence, the ICC's definition of war crimes aligns with the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict. These rules aim to limit the suffering caused by war and protect those who are most vulnerable. The ICC acts as a mechanism of accountability, making sure individuals who break these rules can be investigated and brought to justice. If military commanders, political leaders, or others order or commit war crimes, they can be prosecuted by the ICC if their country is a party to the Rome Statute, or if the crimes happen on the territory of a state that is a party. This enforcement helps uphold the core principles of international humanitarian law and discourages violations that cause harm during conflicts.